In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove and replace the right door on your Whirlpool refrigerator. If the door is damaged in any way, you may want to replace it for cosmetic reasons, or you may need to remove the door in order to fit it through a doorway. If you need to buy a new part, check out our website, partsdoctor.com, where we sell parts for all major appliance brands. You may find it easier to handle the door by removing the door bins first. To remove the bin, lift up on both sides to release it from the locking tabs. If needed, gently tap on the bottom. Now, on the top of the fridge, remove the Phillips screw and plastic cover over the hinge. Before removing the hinge, apply a piece of tape to secure the door in place. With the cover removed, you will see a total of 4 screws. We only need to remove these 2. Use a T25 Torx bit to remove the 2 screws seated on top of the hinge. Then, lift up on the hinge to remove it from the fridge. Now, peel off the tape. Next, slightly open the door and lift the door off the bottom hinge. When shopping for a part, be sure you're searching with the model number from the tag on your refrigerator to make sure you get the correct part. To install the door, you'll need to align the hole in the bottom of the door with the bottom hinge. Then, set the door on the hinge and close the door. Then, reapply the tape to the door. Now, align the hinge to the top of the door, push back in place, and reinstall the 2 screws. The hinge can only be installed in one direction. Then, reinstall the plastic hinge cover. Again, this can only be installed in one direction. Now, peel off the tape. Then, reinstall the door bins by aligning the tabs and pushing down to lock in place. And that's it for this video. If you need to learn how to remove the left door or freezer door, check out these videos. And if you enjoy fixing things and want to see more videos like this, please consider subscribing.